Located near Brij region, Bharatpur is a small and pretty destination of eastern Rajasthan. One can reach Bharatpur from Delhi by train at a distance of 184 kilometers. Keoladev National Park, previously known as Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, is located 2.5 kilometers from Bharatpur railway station on National Highway 11. With every sunrise, nature smiles all over Keoladev National Park. The ornithologist's paradise of Bharatpur offers an eclectic mix of rich heritage and history, with the elegance of nature and wildlife. And with all this, it has attained the position of a popular tourist destination in India. This avifauna sanctuary hosts thousands of birds, especially during the winter season. Over 230 species of birds are known to be resident. Initially, it was a natural depression and was flooded after the Ajan Dam was constructed by Maharaja Suraj Mal, the then ruler of the princely state of Bharatpur. The dam was created at the confluence of two rivers, the Gambhir and the Banganga. The park was a hunting ground for the Maharajas of Bharatpur. By 1899, the present area of natural depression inside the park was converted into a protected deer shooting site. Prince Harbhanji of Morvi state in Gujarat was appointed as an administrator for Bharatpur state. He was responsible for converting the depression into a duck shoot reserve. In 1901, the area was flooded for the first time and a regular water distribution system was devised. The inundation resulted in production of lot of aquatic vegetation, which attracted a large number of migratory birds. In 1925, the Forest Act of Bharatpur was passed and the erstwhile Shikar department was brought under the Forest Department. A remarkable incident took place in 1938 when a shooting party headed by the then Viceroy, Lord Linlithgow, shot as many as 4,273 birds on November 12. This shooting record is inscripted in the pillar near Keoladev temple. The last big shoot was held in 1964. Hunting rights remained with the Maharaja of Bharatpur, his guests and few state guests till 1972. In 1977, a masonry wall was constructed all around the park. Following this, in 1981, the sanctuary was upgraded to a national park. cattle grazing inside the park was banned. Keoladeo was declared as a Ramsar site under the Convention of Wetlands of International Importance. In 1985, the park was declared as World Heritage Site by UNESCO. Keoladeo National Park is 2 kilometers southeast of Bharatpur and 55 kilometers west of Agra. It is spread over approximately 29 square kilometers. The sanctuary was created 250 years ago and is named after Keoladeo, a Shiva temple situated within its boundaries. The park's flora consists of 379 species of flowering plants, of which 96 are wetland species. The wetland is a part of the Indo-Gangetic Great Plains. Keoladeo Ghana National Park is a man-made and man-managed wetland and one of the national parks of India. The reserve protects Bharatpur from frequent floods, provides grazing ground for village cattle, and earlier was primarily used as waterfowl hunting ground. The 29 square kilometer reserve is locally known as Ghana and is a mosaic of dry grasslands, woodlands, woodland swamps, and wetlands. These diverse habitats are home to 366 bird species, 379 floral species, 50 species of fish, 13 species of snakes, 5 species of lizards, 7 amphibian species, 7 turtle species, and a variety of other invertebrates. The expression Ghana implies thick, alluding to the thick woodland which used to cover the region. The chief vegetation sorts are tropical dry deciduous trees, intermixed with dry meadows in zones where backwoods has been corrupted. Every year, thousands of migratory waterfowl visit the park for wintering and breeding. The sanctuary is one of the richest bird areas in the world and is known for nesting of resident birds and visiting migratory birds, including water birds. The rare Siberian cranes used to winter in this park, but this central population is now extinct. Aside from the misleading oversaw swarms, a significant part of the region is secured by medium sized trees and bushes. In an area categorized by sparse vegetation, the park is the only spot which has dense vegetation and trees. Tropical dry deciduous forest intermixed with dry grassland makes the principal vegetation of this region. Where the forest has degraded, the greater part of the area is covered with shrubs and medium sized trees. The park is a freshwater swamp and is flooded during the monsoon. The rest of the area remains dry. Forests, mostly in the northeast of the park, are dominated by kadam, jamun, and babul. Scrublands are dominated by ber and care. Pilu and meshwok are also present in the park and happens to be virtually the only woody plants found in the areas of saline soil. The aquatic vegetation is rich and provides a valuable food source for waterfowl. It is unlikely that the site would support such numbers of waterfowl as it does without the addition of water from Ajan Dam, a man-made impoundment. Soils are predominantly alluvial. Some clay has formed as a result of periodic inundation. The mean annual precipitation is 662 mm, with rain falling on an average of 36 days per year. The park's location in the Gangetic Plain makes it an unrivaled breeding site for herons, storks, and cormorants, and an important wintering ground for large number of migrant ducks. The most common waterfowl are gadwal, shoveler, common teal, tufted duck, knobbled duck, little cormorant, great cormorant, Indian shag, ruff, painted stork, white spoonbill, Asian open-billed stork, oriental ibis, darter, common sandpiper, wood sandpiper, and green piper. The Sarus crane with its spectacular courtship dance also lives here. Keoladeo National Park is known as a bird paradise since more than 370 bird species have been recorded in the park. Ornithologically, the park assumes significance in quite a few respects. One would be its strategic location as a staging ground for migratory waterfowl arriving in the Indian subcontinent before dispersing to various regions. In addition, the wetland is a wintering area for massive congregation of waterfowl. It is also the only regular wintering area in India for the Siberian crane. Birds present in this region include warblers, babblers, bee-eaters, bulbuls, chats, painted francolins, and Indian grey hornbill. Raptors include osprey, short-toed eagle, tawny eagle, imperial eagle, spotted eagle, and crested serpent eagle. The greater spotted eagle has recently been recorded breeding here, a new breeding record for the species in India. Mammalian fauna of Keoladeo National Park is equally rich with 27 identified species. Primates include rhesus macaque and Hanuman langur. Nilgai and cheetal deer are common while sambar are few. Other ungulates present include blackbuck, hog deer, and nilgai. Wild boar and Indian porcupine are often spotted sneaking out of the park into crop fields. Two mongoose species, the small Indian mongoose and the common Indian grey mongoose, are occasionally sighted. Cat species present include jungle cat, leopard cat, and fishing cat. The Asian palm civet and the small Indian civet are also present but rarely sighted. Large predators are absent, but small carnivores include Bengal fox, golden jackals, and striped hyena. Many species of rats, mice, and bats are also found in the park. Fish fauna of the park comprises 43 species, of which 37 enters the park along with the water of Ajjan Dam, and 6 species are breeding residents. During a good rainy season, the park receives around 65 million fish fry and fingerlings. The fish population and diversity are of high ecological importance as they form the food source of many birds. The hypatofauna of Keoladeo National Park is diverse. Out of the 10 species of turtles that are seen in Rajasthan, 7 are present in this park. Besides this, there are 5 lizard species, 13 snake species, and 7 species of amphibians. The bullfrog and skipper frog are commonly found in the wetlands. It is often easy to see a python out of its burrow and basking in the sun on a sunny winter day. The common monitor lizard, Indian porcupine, and bicolored leaf-nosed bat have been seen in the same burrow as that of the python. The venomous snakes found in the park are krait, cobra, and Russell's viper. According to the founder of the World Wildlife Fund, Peter Scott, Keoladeo National Park is one of the world's best bird areas.